an asshole. God. I wonder where you got that from.
Yeah, who raised me?
He says, oh. Hi, welcome to week 13, lucky 13 of Mama Deb's Kitchen. And Kim White, I'm calling you out. We are making Enchilada Suizas today. Which I don't know if I say it right, but who cares?
Probably not.
I'm sure I don't. So the first thing that I'm going to show you that I'm making is the salsa. Did you see, what are you looking at?
Cloves up there.
I have boiled together 1.25 pounds of tomatillos, and I have 2 Serrano chilies in my crock pot. A lot of people want to use like a, you can use a rotisserie chicken and just rip the chicken off of that. I don't choose to do it that way, so I make my chicken in my crock pot. I have 2 big breasts of chicken with some citrus, orange slices, lime juice, orange juice, cilantro, onion, chicken broth, and salt and pepper.
Why do you use a rotisserie chicken?
Because I like to make my own chicken.
You're better than people?
If you want to say I'm better than people, because I think I'm better than people, because I don't. Are you eating the Kisses already? I just bought that bag of Kisses.
What? Don't worry about you.
We've been through like 3 bags in a week with you guys, and then you guys say you're going to go on diets and fasting, but that's not going to help when you're eating a whole bag of Kisses. But do you have anything to come back at that with? Oh, you're sticking it up.
I'll just cut the show.
Okay, go ahead.
It'll be a minute of you.
Okay, so we're putting all of these in here together. It's the 1.25 pounds of tomatillos, 2 Serrano chilies. I'm going to, and I saved some of the water that I boiled the chilies in. I mean the tomatillos and the chilies in to add more water to my salsa. Okay, so those are in there.
Why don't you save that attitude for later too?
And a bunch of cilantro. 2 cloves of garlic. We got a whole onion here. I'm going to use half of an onion. I'm going to pour this in there. I'm going to squeeze 1 lime in there. And I also have here a teaspoon of ground cumin and a teaspoon of
Ground what?
chicken flavor bouillon, cumin. Okay, we're gonna put this in there here together.
Differently.
Oh, shoot, this thing screws with me all the time. You have to have
It's
it.
childproof.
Okay, so we're gonna blend this now.
I used some Knorr with the top label like Hershey Kisses when you fell down the stairs drunk. I haven't seen me for
I was bringing you a comforter down, and I slipped down 4 stairs, and I hurt myself very badly.
Yeah.
Okay, so look at this. I want you to see how green and fresh, and I want you to smell it. I love this salsa. Eric's not here this weekend. It's his girlfriend Yvette's birthday on Monday, so this will be a belated happy birthday shout out to her because this is filming Wednesday. And then my favorite person in my whole wide world, my granddaughter, turns 4 on Tuesday the 21st. So happy birthday, Charlotte Ray, my little Charlie girl. See this salsa? It's nice and, oh, look at that.
Why do you make the red one?
Because I'm making green chili enchiladas, and I use this for the enchilada sauce.
Why just make red chili enchiladas?
Because I have made those already.
I don't think so.
So, obviously we have to wait for the chicken to
You
cook.
gotta make the red salsa as a side.
No,
Chips.
if you want to go to the store and buy all the ingredients for the red
I just
salsa,
asked
I'll
the
make you red
question.
salsa.
I didn't need attitude.
Okay.
Can
I finish my spiel here? I didn't allow me to.
You may proceed.
You know what? I may just make myself a margarita after we're done here.
I'll be shocked. She's had 3 already.
I have not. I haven't had any. When the enchiladas, when everything's ready, I'm going to show you how I put them together. I don't have a recipe for this. This is just my recipe, so I'm going to do the measurements for you guys and put that on. I always post my recipes. My cousin Linda asked me for the recipe, and for last week's cookies.
They're in the YouTube description.
And they're in the YouTube description, and she was like, oh, okay. So,
You need this?
the orange, no.
I need it.
Yes. When I build them, I'm gonna add, it's, you know, like a lot of people use Mexican crema and then heavy cream. I'm just gonna use sour cream and heavy cream, and that's what I'm gonna drizzle over it to make it more creamy. So
Mexican crema.
Mexican crema is a Mexican sour cream. It's a sour cream, but it's a little thinner than like regular sour
Is
cream.
there an Italian crema?
I don't know. If there is, I
Or
haven't.
Bulgarian crema? You just call it crema.
He's on it today. Been laying on the couch all day long watching football. Go Cowboys. So, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
The light's falling out.
I'm going to charge,
Just kidding.
I'm going to challenge 50 of my Facebook friends. 50 friends. I got 1,000 friends on there. I want 50 of my Facebook friends to share my little YouTube link on Wednesday when I post it that my show's airing. Who can I count on for that? So when we come back, I'll be preparing the enchiladas and show you how I put them together and then how the salsa comes out and makes it like a green creamy salsa. Okay? So thank you very much for joining me. This was a long little portion to make salsa.
Yeah, did you kept talking?
Shut up. Okay. Thank you. Hi there. Welcome back to Mama Deb's Kitchen. We're ready to assemble some enchiladas. Okay?
How long does it take in between? You just prep.
Well, I had to cook the chicken, so it was what? I put them in a crock pot, so it was like 2.5 hours. So I made my salsa earlier, but I'm gonna make it, that's gonna be my enchilada kind of sauce. And then I did the mixture with the crema, and I didn't do crema, I did sour cream and heavy cream. And I was gonna combine them and just pour them all there together, and I think that might be what I might do. Well, normally you would just put the salsa on it, and then just kind of swirl that in, but I want it to be like a creamy sauce. So that's, because I like it like that. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna mix these together. Well, it is about me. I'm making it. If you want to make it the way you want to make it, you can make it.
I don't want to make it. My wife, you do
That looks good.
If I could make you that stuff that I have.
You and I are the only ones that are gonna be eating it tonight. Your brother's at a Friendsgiving. I had to make an emergency batch of molasses cookies for Danny's Friendsgiving tonight with his friends.
Not really going to Friendsgiving. I went to a strip club.
Yeah, we did go to a strip club.
Bring the cookies for all.
Yeah, for all the strippers.
My mom made these for you guys.
Yeah.
I don't have any ones, I just have cookies.
Yeah. So I started to assemble a couple. I just put them, what I do with my tortillas beforehand is I dampen a towel and I kind of wrap it around like a group of tortillas and I put them in the microwave for like
Oh my god.
paper towel.
Oh.
20 seconds.
For a towel. I'll take up a paper towel.
And it just makes them easier to roll. A lot of people fry them first. I don't prefer that method. I don't. They taste kind of greasy to me. So I just okay. I'm just kind of like soaking them a little bit in the sauce before I put the cheese in. So I've seen this done, like I said, different ways. I saw it done like where you just make salsa and you put the salsa on it, and then you like put a whole bunch of that creamy thing on top, the creamy mixture on top. But I combined them.
How do you shred the chicken?
I shredded my chicken with my hand mixer. I took it out of the crock pot. I put the 2 big breasts in the hand mixer and just shredded right up in 2 seconds. I used to do it with 2 forks and all that, you know. It wasn't about that time at all. Perfect. Such an asshole. God. I wonder where you got that from.
Yeah, who raised me?
He says, oh. Okay. So here we go. I'm excited about this.
Oh, are you?
Yes. I worked and I made rice. So,
Let's shot that was.
what?
Show it for fucking 25 seconds.
I gotta stir it up. Okay, so these are gonna go in the oven for about 30 minutes. And when we come back, my brave boy, the only one that's here, is gonna be my taste tester. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hi, welcome back. I'm gonna take the enchiladas out of the oven right now and serve Billy Boy his. You might want to grab a little fork out of here though. But oh no, do this first.
No, don't tell me what to do. Okay.
Look at those. Wow, I'm excited because I haven't made these before.
Oh yeah.
I've never made these before. Like this. I don't, if you're going to ask me what's in your rice, when I make the rice, sometimes I just chop up extra cilantro and onion and put it in. I know you don't like when I do stuff like that, but oh well, too bad. You want 2 enchiladas? What?
Just one.
Oh,
Did I stutter?
they're not really big.
What she said.
Well, if she's saying that, then
Yeah.
that's your problem. Go on. Look at that though. That's really hot though, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's really hot. Turn, tip it out of the oven. I can burn my mouth up.
Ooh. Look at these. They look really good. Nice and creamy. I got extra sauce and everything over there too if you want. Look at the camera and say if you like it or not. It's hot. Oh, do you want some? I'm going to put some of this on there for, well, you don't have to have it for garnish. I meant to do that for garnish.
Look over here. It's good.
I will post the recipe. I'm going to make mine with extra salsa. He's kind of a little, like I always say, a little bitch when it comes to eating.
Well, not good. It's not that good. Yeah.
Yeah, right. He's walking away with his plate, and he'll have more than one enchilada. I think he's just trying to be like, I will kill you right now. Thank you for joining us. I will post the recipe, and everybody have a. He's trying to make me look up, look down, look all around. I used to get him all the time when he was little, and he's aggravated about that. Now he's trying to get me back because I do it to my granddaughter too. Have a great Thanksgiving. Everyone be safe. Have a wonderful day with your families, and I will see you next week. I don't know what I'm making yet. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Be sure to check out In the Clinch. What's the other one? The Press Conference, Desert Gems, and Clickbait. And Billy will put all them, you know, he has it on his website, what times everybody airs, and I know that I know the boys swear a lot on theirs, but
We don't have a time. It's a shit show.
it is a shit show.
Companies.
We need subscribers. We need people to follow us. Please, please, please share. 50 of my friends. Every week I'm going to ask 50 friends to share my show. Thank you.